When we study cells, we usually see label diagram and memorize definitions. But cells are not static, they are dynamic system. Yet we usually see them as flat diagrams in textbook. That contrast always felt strange to me. At some point, I stopped asking what does this organelle do and started asking how does everything work together. That question became the starting point for this app. As Martin Scorsese once said, the most personal is the most creative. This project is personal to me because it was built from that curiosity and the gap I experienced while learning cell biology. Hi, I am Ans and this is Cellumina. Let me walk you through my app. The Explorer section is meant to transform how students experience cell. Instead of starting with definition, it starts with curiosity. At the top, students choose between animal, plant, and bacterial cell. These three represent the core structural blueprint of life: complex multicellular organisms, photosynthetic systems, and that powerful prokaryotic life forms. Right after selecting a cell type, the learner sees a large interactive cell models. A student can tap on different organelles inside the cell. When they do, a detailed sheet opens, explaining about the organelles. The tap to open sheet transforms the diagram into an explorable system. Instead of staring at labels, a student investigate parts one by one. I have also given an option for image in case the user needs it. After the visual section, there is a structured information card for selected cell itself. The overview section explains the identity and the key systems about the cell. The Insight tab is where structure meets flexibility. A student can learn in two ways: by tapping organelles directly on the interactive cell model or by exploring organelles listed by name in Insight section. Instead of listing organelles randomly, they are grouped as systems working together. This reinforces the idea that a cell is not a collection of parts, it is a coordinated machine. And at last, the fact section serves two purposes: reinforcement of key learning points and sparking curiosity beyond exams. And let me show you the plant and the bacterial cell too. This is the plant cell, and this is the bacterial cell. Next is the amoeba section. At the top, the learner sees a living amoeba in its environment. This isn't a static diagram. This amoeba moves. It responds to the user input, it consumes the bacteria, and it survives. User can click on the nucleus or the vacuole to know more about them. Below it, there is an energy and water meter which introduces the biological consequences. There is also a reset button which reinforces the experiment. After the simulation, there is a structured about amoeba section which gives information about the amoeba, its main part, about its lives, and how it survives. Now we are in the network section. This is where cells stop being diagrams and start acting like a system. At the top, the learner sees a concise explanation of cell networking itself. Now, instead of presenting signaling as a static pathway, this app turns it into a live sequence. A signal is sent, receptor responds, and an internal cascade unfolds. You can observe how communication triggers the real biological outcomes like activation, coordination, or responses. Below the simulation, the About section explains the currently selected signaling type. Across the app, the AI Summary feature acts as a personalized learning assistant. Powered by Apple Own's foundation model, AI Summary feature, instead of replacing structured content, it enhances it. When a learner taps AI Summary, the app generates a clear, student-friendly explanation tailored to the selected topic. It also has text-to-speak functionality. The layout of the app is adaptive. It seamlessly adjusts across portrait and landscape orientation, as well as smaller and larger screen sizes. This adaptability improves the usability and enhances the accessibility factor of the app.